What are you two talking about?
Mr. Fussy, I think he wants your picnic. And you might want to let him have it. Bears are funny that way. Not ha-ha funny either.
Not the plum jam. Leave it, Mr. Fussy, or you'll be fair lunch. I am not leaving until I have packed up my picnic. Wait for me! If you think I am leaving behind these green olives, you are mistaken.